Hey guys, today in this video, I'm about to show you how you guys can edit photos without using Photoshop. Let's get started. So first thing is that you guys need to open up your favorite browser that you guys are using. So I'm gonna open my Edge browser. Now on the search bar, you can type here like Photopea. Alright, first link is photopea.com. So click here, click on new project once you are here. So if you guys want to edit your photo on Full HD, go to screen and click here on Full HD. Or if you guys are just editing your photo for social media, like let's say that I want to edit this photo for Instagram, so you can click here Instagram. It's 1080 by 1080. Now click on create. So we have a new project.psd here. Now we are going to open up the photo that we wanted to edit it. So here is my photo here, so click and open. As you guys can see that we have opened this photo. So to copy this photo, select by clicking on Ctrl+A. So this is selected now. Now to copy, you can click here, click on edit, and then you can just Ctrl+C to copy and go back to new project, this tab, and then you can Ctrl+V to paste, or you can simply click on edit and just click on this paste. So here we go. Now you can resize this photo. As you guys can see, we have a white borders here. So we need to resize this. You can click on edit and free transform, which is Alt Control T. So you can press that as well. So you can free transform this. But now if you try to transform without holding shift key, it's going to destroy your picture. Like you can see this, it's just destroying your picture. So you can Control G to undo this. Then once again press Alt Control T to select this, and then this time you need to hold shift key. All right, and then transform this just like this. All right, and you need to transform from here as well. So by doing this, you can see that it's been scaled properly. Now it's been centered as well, and click and enter. So you can also press like Control minus, so that you guys can see those grid lines that you guys can play with it, just like this. So I'm happy with this. So once you guys are happy with this, press on enter, and this should be fully transformed. Now you can edit your photo through this way. All right, you can play some like auto tune, auto contrast, and auto color as well. And still you guys can play with your filter. Click on filter gallery, and there we go. You can see this. It's kind of weird, but yeah, it's really good. It's good. Let's try with paint. Okay, so this seems to be good. Let's set this brush as like 10, and sharpness should be reduced, I believe. Now it's looking like a painting, but it's not a painting. So press on OK once you guys are done. Now we can see that this is ready for Instagram. And once you guys are happy with this editing, click in File, and then export this image as PNG or JPEG or whatever you guys. You can see that there are a ton of extensions that you guys can use. So basically we are using PNG. And set this quality to max and click on save, and it should download your photo. So this is how it should be looking like. Yeah, it's nasty, but I'm just trying to edit this as a painting, but this has been ready for Instagram. Now you guys can upload this photo on Instagram. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. This is how you guys can edit photo without Photoshop using Photopea. So if you guys want to learn more about Photopea, then click on left, and if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Peace out.